Hi guys, it's Larry, and today I'm doing a plan with me. It's going to be a little bit different because I'm using some stickers from the Happy Planner. These are the Wild Styled booklet, and I realized I haven't used this yet, so I was kind of flipping through it today, and for some reason this particular page was speaking to me, so I bookmarked it. And this is going to be the inspiration for whatever it is that I put together. So if you want to see how this turns out, then stick around. Let's have a little party. So again, I am planning with this Happy Planner booklet. It's the Wild Styled. Super cute, love the colors, and some really cool foil in here and whatnot. 439 pieces. I am personally planning for the week of August 10th right now. Kind of irrelevant. You can plan for whatever week you're working on. But this page spoke to me. This is the inspiration. I'm going to get started. I might bring in some washi. I don't know. But there is some of these little washi strips here included, so that's kind of fun. We're just going to see how it goes. So I'll probably play some music here and move things along a little bit fast forward. So get your drink, get your planner, get some stickers, and let's do some fun planning for the week. All right, guys, let's go. This is my before the pen. I think it turned out really cool. I really like those stickers. And just as a recap, I ended up using 3 different books. So I used the Wild Styled, as I mentioned. You may have seen I pulled out these colorful boxes to get that one there. And then I also pulled this leaf arrangement from this flowers. Happy Planner Flowers. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you planned along. I hope you had some cocktails and got your week all set up and you're ready to go. So thank you for joining me. I'm so glad we did this. I will see you next week. Remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up.